we could be alone between city lights. We don't have to hide. I wanna go, do you wanna follow? There's something in the air.
Hola gente, what's up guys? In today's video I wanted to test out for the very first time OLAPLEX #6. As you guys know, I've tested and documented my whole OLAPLEX journey where I tested out every single one of OLAPLEX products, and that is all going to be linked in the description box below. Of course, this was a very highly requested video, and I have to thank a dear subscriber, Judy darling, for helping me get these OLAPLEX #6, which was not available yet in my country. So OLAPLEX #6 is kind of a leave-in styling cream. This has the same OLAPLEX technology. What makes this one unique is that unlike other OLAPLEX products, this one you can also apply on dry hair. It is supposed to help you style your hair. It eliminates frizz, it makes your hair stronger, and also promises to help hydrate and protect your hair. And what's even better, it claims to have very long-lasting effects of up to 72 hours. And when used on wet hair, it should speed up the blow dry time. So that's going to be very interesting for the next follow-up clip that I'm going to film on wet hair. It comes in a little 100 milliliter bottle, just like the OLAPLEX #3. It is a very tiny bottle. I keep saying that, especially for those of us who have very long hair, but they still insist that a little goes a very long way and that you should start with kind of a quarter size amount of product and kind of evenly distribute it throughout your midsection and ends. I think in this case, a leave-in kind of styling cream, mousse, conditioner, whatever, I usually do use a lot less product than when I'm applying a treatment, so I'm not very frustrated by the fact that it's a small bottle on this particular one. I keep repeating that I feel that we need more product on the OLAPLEX #3. Yeah, but that's just me. So today I'm going to test it out on my dry hair as it is now. So as always, the claims are amazing. The product is a little bit expensive, but I do have a feeling that it may last a little bit longer. I went in last time to the salon to get this balayage done. They do not work with OLAPLEX products. They're Aniplex products actually, and that was very, very scary, but that goes to show you how healthy my hair is because I religiously treat it with OLAPLEX products. So yeah, that's kind of the good side. On the bad side, I am sure it is a little bit more damaged than it would have been had I had the bleaching done with OLAPLEX 1 and 2. I know that I have to step up my OLAPLEX game in this next few days so that I'm able to reverse some of the new damage that has been done to my hair, that I've done to my hair, quite frankly. So as always, for the first use, it is always sealed. So you have to remove this plastic thing. So like I said, this time I'm gonna be a good girl, and that's about all of the product that I'm gonna put in my hair. And on the flyaways, I'm just gonna apply like the tiniest residue that I have on my hands that is literally invisible. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Oh, it smells so good. It smells a little bit like tangerine, like a citric. All right, I still have some flyaways here, but did the camera just pick up how more like tamed the hair is? So I am attaching it right now, and I can tell you that it is a lot softer, like manageable, definitely a little bit less frizz. That really did make it instantly softer, guys. This is an extremely lightweight formula that absorbs so very, very quickly, and once it does not feel heavy, and you can not even tell that you have product on your hair. So I'm tempted to add a little bit more product because I still have a few flyaways, and maybe that last residue was just being overly conservative. And also I feel like my ends could use a little bit more product. So working as far as frizz control and how soft and smooth it's making my hair feel. I definitely don't think it works as well for flyaways. It has kind of tamed down a few of the flyaways, but not every single one. I'm not gonna lie. That is definitely a lot shinier than it was before. So I'm gonna go now, but stay right there because this is going to happen super fast for you guys. I'm going to be checking back in with you in 72 hours to actually share with you if these results are actually as long lasting as they claim to be. All right, so let's chat in 72 hours. So here we are, not only 72 hours later, but almost a week later, did this 72-hour wear test of the OLAPLEX #6 on dry hair twice. I ended up just giving it a longer test drive than I originally planned for. So this is my second time, and now I feel more confident to kind of share with you my final thoughts. So as far as frizz control, I'm going to give this product 9 out of 10. Hydration, I would give it an 8 out of 10, only because I feel that my hair did lose a little bit of the original hydration that the OLAPLEX #6 gave it. And as far as protection, it's really difficult to assess or prove it to you guys, but anything I can do and any OLAPLEX product I can personally use to make my hair stronger is always welcome. I have tried every single one of OLAPLEX products in the past, and they have actually proved to be very effective. So I do trust that this one contributes to that as well, because it has the same active ingredients as the rest of the line. But I don't feel that it is one of the essentials. It's a very nice to have product. If you can afford it, get it. I feel like the OLAPLEX product that is essential is #3 or number 2 if you're sure that you can get an original professional OLAPLEX #2. Regarding the quantity, I think this is the first time ever that I'm going to say that I am pleased with the 100 milliliter or 3.3 fluid ounces presentation, because a little really truly does go a long way with OLAPLEX #6. I can't say the same thing for the other 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, but this time I do agree with that. And there's at least 1 or 2 more videos that I want to make if you guys are interested. I want to put to the test the claim that says that it will speed up your blow dry time. Definitely interested in that claim. Let me know in the comments below if you think that is worth a second video. And I also wanted to put to the test even more the frizz control part by just applying it on wet hair and letting my hair air dry. I feel like that is always the ultimate test for frizz control products. So I guess those were all my thoughts regarding my first experiences with OLAPLEX #6 on dry hair. I hope this video helped you guys make the right purchase decision for you. Please consider using my affiliate links in the description box below, which really helped me reinvest in more beauty products to review here on my channel for you guys. If this product was not a good fit for you and you still want to support, you can always subscribe, comment, and like this video. I truly appreciate every single way of support. Thank you for being here today. Thank you for hanging out with me, and I will talk to you all again on my next one.